A Cybertruck was vandalized by some teen kids in the night. After only 6 days of ownership of the Cybertruck and only 3 days of being back home in Kentucky, the owner said his Cybertruck was vandalized by throwing eggs in the night by unknown teens. The truck was parked outside in the driveway. The teens came in an SUV and throwed 3 eggs on the truck, and unfortunately all of them hit the truck, and they immediately escaped from the scene before the owner comes out. Maybe they thought, being stainless steel, that it wouldn't be as much damage as it would be on a painted car. Since it was night, the license plate of the SUV was not captured in the camera in the vicinity. They were out to do teenager stuff, but at least maybe they were thinking a bit. After the incident, the owner decided to park his Cybertruck inside the garage and move his wife's Model Y to the driveway.